Hey everyone, this is Vicky here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to start with this affiliate marketing funnel. In this video I'm gonna show you a done for you automated program which I have been using for 3 to 4 months now, and I'm gonna show you how much other people are making from this funnel as well. So guys, now we are my computer dashboard. So this is the affiliate marketing program that I'm talking about. It's called multiple income funnel. Okay, and in this funnel there are several income streams. Mainly there are 4 different income stream, and when you create your account you will land on this first page. Okay, so as you can see here it says join Facebook group, and this is the private Facebook group of this funnel. But before I explain you more how you can get started with this funnel and how you can make a consistent income, let me show you how much other people are making with this program. Okay, so now I will go to the private group of this program and I'll be showing you how much other members are making. So here is a member by the name of Levi. He has made about $750 today. Yesterday he made $35, and the last week he made about $1,309. Okay, and let's go to the next member. Here is another member by the name of Scott. He made $20, again $20, again $20, again $20, again $180. So basically guys, these are the small commissions that come from the income stream number 1. Okay, so if we go here step 2, as you can see there are 4 different income streams, right? So the multiple income funnel, which is the income stream number 1, it pays $20 per sale. Okay, so this is the $20 that this member have been getting sales. And let's see some more results. So here is another member by the name of Michael. So Michael says income stream number 2 today he made from income stream number 2 $2,359 today and $622 yesterday. So guys, he made those commissions from this income stream number 2, which is called Easy One Up. And now if we see another member, here is another member by the name of Victor. So as you can see, Victor made $20. You just made $20, $20, $20. So as you can see guys, sales are just keep coming in from this MIF referral, which is the multiple income funnel. So now how you can get started and how you can generate sales like all these people. Okay, so basically guys, what you need to do, I have put the link of this funnel in the description. So when you will click that link, you're gonna land on this page. Okay, so that says here is how you can bank huge commission from 4 income stream using one autopilot system. So when you're going to land on this page, what you have to do is you're gonna click on this, click here to earn big, and you will put your name and email, and then you will be landing on this page. So as you can see here, multiple income funnel is $49 per month. Okay, this is the starting capital of this funnel to get started with. So $49 is that you're gonna pay to this funnel to get started. After you have paid the fee, you will be landing on the first page. Okay, and here you will be watching the video, and this video will guide you how to do other setup inside the system. Then you will be joining the Facebook group, private Facebook group. Okay, and then you will click on step 2, and then you will set up your income stream number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all these 4 income stream you have to set up inside the funnel. Okay, and then once you have set up the income stream, what you're gonna do, you're gonna send traffic to your affiliate link so that you can make sales, right? So guys, these are the affiliate links. These are all your affiliate links that you will be sending your traffic to so that you can make some sales and make some commission. And now the question is, if you don't have a big email list, if you don't have a following on your social media, on YouTube, so how you gonna send the traffic? Basically guys, what you have to do is you're gonna click here called traffic. Okay, once you will click here, you will land here on this page. Is called Traffic Authority. So after you will land here, as you can see here, there are several packages, which is called basic package, bronze package, silver package. So what you're gonna do here is you will be buying the traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so let's say you purchase the very first traffic package called basic package, which is $220, and with this package you will be getting 170 to 190 clicks, okay, to your affiliate link or to your link here. You will be getting clicks to your affiliate link here, and when those clicks will buy, okay, when those clicks will purchase, you will make commissions from all the 4 different income stream. So you can buy either basic package or bronze package or silver package or gold package, depends on how much you want to start with initially. So yeah guys, this is how you gonna order traffic to your affiliate link of the multiple income funnel. And once you have ordered this traffic, you will get all those traffic interacted with all different income streams, and you will be able to make commissions, okay, like me and like all these peoples here, okay.